What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Happy Wednesday. I hope you guys had a great Wednesday and you are having a great week. It is hump day. We're almost to the weekend. So today I have McDonald's and I have the McRib. Let me show you the McRib. So a lot of people have their feelings about the McRib, but I don't mind it. I mean, it's good to me. And I have a medium fry and a large Diet Coke to drink. So grab something to eat and come eat with me. So let's see. Oh, I love that barbecue sauce. Ooh, it is saucy. I don't want to get dirty. Let me show you guys. So there's the pork patty, onions, and pickles on it. On a, I don't know what kind of bun this is, but I think there's cornmeal dusted on top. See their fries? I love the slivered onions. Let's take a bite. Fries. So I went to the store today to grab a couple ingredients for dishes I'm gonna make for my mukbang. They're gonna be Filipino dishes. I'm gonna make some pork and shrimp sinigang, a rice porridge, which is called arroz caldo, and it has chicken and ginger, and it's topped with fried onions and fried garlic and lime juice with a little bit of fish sauce on top. So good. And then I'm gonna make pinakbet, which is basically, I guess it would be a stew, but pork stew flavored with the shrimp paste, and it has eggplant, bitter melon. I don't know what it's called in English, but it's a green colored pumpkin. Kombucha? No, it's not that, but I forgot the name of it. But you'll see. I'm going to make them for Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday, my mom is making kare kare. So I'm gonna eat some there, and I'm gonna bring some home and film a mukbang with that. I cannot wait. Saturday is my last day of being free because I start my job at Amazon. But it's gonna be nice. Having a job again. I got all my stuff ready to tackle Amazon's most busiest months, which is called Peak, P-E-A-K. And this will be my 4th one. And every time I dread it, but somehow I make it through without any like injuries or accidents. I think not pushing yourself so hard is the key to surviving. I mean, if you can and you thrive at doing that, then do it. But you're working 5 11.5-hour shifts, so you need to have rest. You need to drink water. You need good shoes. And if you have PTO or UPT or vacation time, go ahead and use them. I mean, that's what it's there for. They'll be fine without you. But I think it's too late to put in vacation time because I know there's a blackout. But if you have PTO and UPT, that's why if you start working at Amazon, one tip is to save your PTO and your UPT for peak season. I never do. I never follow my own advice. The three peaks that I've done, I've had no UPT, I've had no PTO. So I had to push through it. The only thing that kept me sane was my co-workers. If I had to work peak without knowing anybody and not like, socializing during it, I would probably have better productivity numbers. Just kidding. But yeah, having some cool co-workers to vent out to is pretty good. And the pay is not that bad during peak. And this time, day shift, so I don't have to come in after Thanksgiving dinner, because usually for night shift when they work, if you're working on Thanksgiving, they'll give you like 2 to 3 hours off before. So say you start at 6 or 6:30, they'll give you like 2 or 3 hours, and you'll start at 8. No, it was 8. Yeah, 8 o'clock or 8:30. But who wants to do that? Who wants to go to work after eating your Thanksgiving dinner and chilling? But you can't even drink or anything, do anything fun. Well, I'm excited for that because usually day shift, they work till noon and then they get the whole day off, which is pretty cool in my opinion. But yeah, I'm kind of excited. So that was all for me today. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and consider subscribing. Also hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos. And until I see you again, bye.